Media personality Wambui wa Njihia hamwe na family yake nĩ matigĩtwo na kĩeha kĩnene mũno mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. She has sadly lost her brother. Na ndagĩka-inĩ ĩno Karo Mwaũra ũrĩa nĩ mũrata wa hakuhĩ mũno wa Wambui wa Njihia arauga Wambui is too weak and too traumatized to even talk. Na agacoka akauga even her mom is still unconscious and in hospital after learning of the death of their brother and the son. Nĩ ũndũ mawe na kĩeha mũno. His name is James Njihia na apparently he slept but just did not wake up. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa Karo Mwaũra arĩkia kũrekereria Facebook page-inĩ yake, na oho she shared another message on behalf of Wambui wa Njihia on Wambui's page, official Facebook page, akiuga James slept and just did not wake up. And this is the message she shared, akiuga this hit home. Why do the best people die too soon? When you are in the garden, which flowers do you pick first? The most beautiful ones. This was way too soon, my brother. How can someone sleep and just not wake up? Ngayona tondu twaragio kiuria giki ni gia kuria tu. Rest in peace, my brother James Njihia. Pray for us, especially my mom. She's still unconscious and in hospital. This is the most traumatizing thing I've gone through all my life. I never got a chance to say goodbye to you, my bro Kinya. I've written on Wambui's behalf, who is still in disbelief. Ucio ni Karo Mwaũra wandĩkire ndũmĩrĩri ĩno on behalf of Wambui wa Njihia, who is still in shock and too traumatized nginya ndangĩhota kwaria ndagĩka-inĩ ĩno. But Wambui wa Njihia herself had shared this post here, so many crying emojis kuonania nĩma she is in so much pain. Na our deepest condolences kuri Wambui wa Njihia na family yake yothe. May God see them through this painful and difficult moment. Ona mami wao, may God be with her. May she be able to regain her consciousness. Na our deepest condolences kuri yo oriki. Na mafans ona one meyumĩrĩtie kũmĩrĩria Wambui wa Njihia. Karo Mwaũra wa mbere akiuga calm down my love, I got you sweetie, hugs darling. Esther Shiko Day akiuga may peace prevail upon your family. So neither akiuga may his soul rest in peace, hugs mama. Onake if she, it shall be well mama, take heart, and may the love of God that surpasses all human understanding be with you. She bibi akiuga I'm at a total loss for words upon hearing about our bro Nyajui. Just know that you are in my thoughts. Please accept my condolences. Jokiwa Mwagi, sorry for the loss. May God give you strength. Shalom. Steve Kabingu, my condolences to you and the family. Take heart, dear. May he rest well. Ona Idhuma, our deepest condolences kuri Wambui wa Njihia and her entire family. Kinyajui arohuruka uhoro. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.